To hula hoop, first step into your hula hoop so you're in the center of it. Hold the hoop with both hands and spread your feet out so they're wider than your shoulders. If you're right-handed, move your left foot forward about 4 inches, 10 centimeters. If you're left-handed, move your right foot forward instead. Stand up straight and keep your head directly over your center of gravity. Now lift the hula hoop slightly above your hips and pull it forward so it's against your back. Rotate the hoop away from you in either direction, then quickly throw it forward while turning it. Let go and start moving your weight back and forth from one leg to another to move your hips. The hoop will spin for as long as you can keep the momentum going with your hips. Push forward when the hoop is against your stomach and backward when it's against your back. Pretend that you're trying to balance a book on your head to keep your spine straight and your head even so that the hoop stays in place as it spins.